Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to your computer. First, carefully unpack your new printer, making sure to remove all protective packaging materials. Find a stable, flat surface, ideally near your computer, to place it. Next, connect the power cable securely to the printer and then plug it into a wall outlet. Don't forget to install any ink cartridges or toner as per the manufacturer's instructions before proceeding. For a wired connection, the process is quite straightforward. Ensure your printer is powered on. Take one end of the USB cable and connect it firmly to the designated USB port on your printer. Then, plug the other end of the USB cable into an available USB port on your computer. Your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS, should typically detect the new hardware automatically within a few seconds. Connecting wirelessly offers great flexibility. Begin by turning on your printer and accessing its control panel or display screen. Navigate through the menus to find the wireless settings or network setup option. From the list of available networks, select your home Wi-Fi network. You'll then be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password, also known as the network security key. Confirm the details, and your printer should indicate a successful connection. Once connected, the final step is driver installation and a test print. For wired connections, many operating systems automatically install the necessary drivers. However, for wireless setups, it's often best to visit the printer manufacturer's official website to download the latest drivers. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Finally, perform a test print to confirm everything is working perfectly, ensuring crisp, clear output.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.